Hi, John from Timeline Detection, Johnus Maximus, and here is my Deus controller unit. As you can see, it's not very happy. I've lost half my display. Okay, now the problem is that yes, like most metal detecting items, sometimes they get damaged, and this would get damaged because it goes on my metal detector, and yes, it falls off. Unfortunately, in this case, it fell off my detector and fell onto a nice hard base and cracked the LCD screen. Now, I've taken it apart. It's quite simple. 4 screws at the back, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, when you've got it apart, right in the middle by the lithium battery cell, there's a screw there. You remove that screw. Okay, this is to replace the LCD display. Then this ribbon here, there's another header connector. You pull it back there, you pull it back there. Those 2 parts, pull them back very carefully. You very carefully with your fingernails, and do it at both sides at the same time. You don't need to go hard, because if you break the header connector, then you either have to replace the header connector, or you can buy the header connectors, possibly not from XP, but you can buy them from places like RS Components, etc. When you've done that, okay, you then pull the plug, the header on the ribbon that is part of the LCD display. Okay, before you do that, right, what I'm now going to do is we're going to power this down. Okay, so it's powered down. Make sure you pull the battery, because you don't want to be shorting things out. You know, if you short terminals out and you've got the battery connected, it won't do much good. Okay, so that's it so far, and I will show you the work involved to replace the LCD display. Here's my new LCD display. Okay, module. Right, and I'm now going to replace it, and you'll see that it's all up and running. That's part 1. Part 2, I will have fitted the LCD display. Alright, thank you, bye bye.